When Pringles were introduced to the US market in the 1960s, they were met with immediate disdain. People hated the uniform Pringle chip shape. The 1960s was very much a period that valued individualism. One of the joys of eating potato chips was looking for the different shapes. Large chips, small chips, chips that look like the Statue of Liberty. After all, if you're going to torture your body with junk food, you might as well have fun in the process. It wasn't until Dr. Fredrick Baur, with his big brain, came along and revolutionized a Pringle by introducing the stacked can that we all know and love today. The unique shape of the can let the individualists have a different potato chip eating experience. Why grab a chip out of a boring bag like every other Jones on the street when you can pull them out of a can? The cylinder shape also allowed the case to be made of a sturdy material. Unlike normal chips and bags that have to have a flexible container, the sturdier Pringle can offered some form of protection. This helped prevent the chips from getting crushed to pieces. Fred Baur loved his design so much that he requested that some of his ashes be buried in a Pringle can. He died in 2008, and his Pringle burial is located at the Arlington Memorial Gardens.
A picnic without potato chips?
What do you think these are?
Potato chips in this?